Would you like to walk into a room and shine? Do you want people to say, man, I want what you've got? What are you doing different? Because you're glowing. You look and your energy feels amazing. Do you desire to have that experience? Would you like to manifest the drop of a dime? Why don't you throw a yes or no in the comments for me? Let me know how you feel about manifestation. Would you like to learn? Would you like some tips? Would you like to know all the secrets that I have figured out? Because I am totally down to share. Wouldn't it be nice to keep them to myself? The food we eat, the company we keep, the thoughts we think, the emotions we feel, the clothes we wear, how we treat our animals, how often we water our houseplants. These are all things. How often we bathe, how clean do we keep our home. These are all factors in our vibration. This is a very important thing in order to manifest. I would love to show you what I know. So let's go ahead and get started with setting some boundaries. Feel good about putting your foot down and saying no. No, I love me. Thank you. I choose myself. I choose me. Thank you.